Welcome once again, Kasrambaw, sa car review natin. Thank you nga pala sa Toyota Mobolo, Cebu City for letting us review their cars. For any inquiries, you can call or text Golda Mariagas on her mobile phone. This is the 2025 Toyota Fortuner 2.8Q Diesel 4x2 AT. 2.194 million to, Cebu City price ha. November promo is 135,000 based on 15% down payment. 48 months is 27,186.24 and 60 months is 48,711.82. Airbags is driver, front passenger, side, curtain, and knee. Brake is electronic brake distribution, anti-lock brake system or ABS with auto brake system. Features immobilizer, security alarm, electronic door locks, stability control, speed sensing door locks, ISOFIX, pre-collision system, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and hill start assist. Dito sa harap, dalawang grille taas at baba. Gloss black dito, gloss black din, mesh type grille, matte, laminated chrome Toyota logo, front camera sa baba, mesh type, matte, piano black accent, kabila din, pati dito, signalize na sa baba, LED, then silver front diffuser. Headlights is by beam LED with line guide, LED rin. Sa baba, fog lamps LED with two front sensors magkabilaan. Dito sa gilid, wheels is machine cut finish with gloss gray accent. Tires is 265/60 R18 Bridgestone. Ang gloss black dito, dugtong sa matte fender, matte black stepboard, fender, dugtong sa gloss black sa likod. Body color side mirrors with repeaters, LED, auto adjust, and auto fold. 360 camera, light, keyless smart entry, chrome doorknob. Door trim is chrome hanggang likod. Then roof rail ready, gray. Front suspension is double wishbone. And rear is multi-link. Front brake is ventilated disc. And rear is also ventilated disc. Dito sa likod, shark fin antenna sa taas. Spoiler back end, integrated yung third brake light, LED. Gloss black backtail garnish. Naka-emboss ang Fortuner. Chrome Toyota logo. Tugtong sa harap ang chrome window trim dito sa likod. Back wiper. Backup camera. For back parking sensors. Gloss black accent. Back diffuser. Then full spare tire sa ilalim. Taillights is LED with line guide. Sa baba, reflector. Door panels is dark gray with piano black and silver accent, chrome doorknob. Tweeter speaker, plastic, silver accent, chrome doorknob, piano black, power window button, leather, kita ang stitching, malagyan, bottle holder, speaker, light, Toyota step protector, hand grip, Then retractable hand grip. Sa likod ng door panels is same dark gray with piano black and silver accent, chrome doorknob. Plastic, silver accent, chrome doorknob, piano black, power window button, leather din, may Fortuner, malagyan, bottle holder, speaker, light, step protector, walang hang grip dito. Dito lang retractable. Space sa likod. Armrest. Di natin ma-fold, may plastic. Pag fold, pag doon ka sa likod, ilahin mo to. Pag sa harap ka, eto sa ilalim. Mag-fold siya, then tumble. Pagbalik, bagsak ng konti, may click, then akyat ang sandalan. Third row seats. May mga pockets sa likod ng mga upuan. Hook din. Malagyan, 12-volt socket, silver accent, then USB port, doom lights, white, digital aircon, then air vents magkabilaan. 640 ang hatian sa pag-fold. Pag-fold, same. Ito sa likod, ito sa harap. Then ito is for front and back. Sa driver side na door panels is dark gray with piano black and silver accent, chrome doorknob. Tweeter speaker, plastic, silver accent, leather din, chrome doorknob, power side mirror button, auto fold, windows lock and unlock, power window buttons, piano black, malagyan, bottle holder, speaker, light, Toyota step protector, hand grip, then retractable hand grip. Steering wheel is tilt and telescopic, plastic, leather, watch stitching, silver tip, retractable cup holder, sensors of view, tailgate, gas tank, hood lever. Upuan is leather, black, white stitching, bucket, headrest, white stitching, 8-way power adjust, ito sa likod, front and back, seat height, then leg height. Views sa likod. 3-spoke steering wheel leather wrap with silver accent and wood panel design and audio controls. Dito is different menus, front sensors off, and rear cross off. Ito is cruise control. Dito naman is infotainment, voice command, cellphone buttons, paddle shifters. Dash is analog RPM, temperature, speedometer, and fuel gauge, eco lamp, and colored zone display, 4.2 TFT display sa gitna. Time clock. Infotainment is 9-inch display audio via 6 speakers with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and USB ready. dual zone automatic climate control aircon, sunglass holder, doom lights white, sun visor with vanity mirror, light, and ticket clip sa driver side, sun visor with vanity mirror, light, and ticket clip sa passenger side. Push start stop ignition switch, wireless charging, 12-volt socket, silver, wood panel, mabuksan, 2 cup holder sa loob, dark silver sa gilid, auto tranny, gated, may plus and minus na drive, eco mode, normal, power, traction off, manual handbrake, leather armrest, walang spring, wala din sa loob. Passenger na upuan is leather, 8-way power adjust, plastic, SRS airbag, leather, white stitching, may Fortuner ang pindutan, cooling box, silver sa air vents, silver tip, retractable cup holder, glove box di susi, slow-mo. Ang engine niya is a 2.8 4-cylinder inline, 16-valve, dual overhead cam with variable nozzle turbo, air-cooled intercooler, diesel engine. Max output is 204 PS, max torque is 500 Nm of torque. Transmission is 6-speed automatic and fuel tank capacity is 80 liters. So that's it mga kasarmbaw. Thank you sa panonood. And don't forget to like and subscribe in my YouTube channel. Support Visayan Vlogger hanggang sa muli. Paalam and peace! Thank you!